At Global Social Media Marketing, we produce sponsored posts or specifically blog posts created by guest authors on our website as an additional revenue stream. These guest authors have a specific goal in mind: to boost the SEO ranking of their clients' blogs and websites. While the process may involve technicalities, let's take a bird's eye view to understand the concept. To facilitate blog post submissions, we have a dedicated sponsored post page that provides comprehensive details. This page includes information on why individuals or their clients might choose to post on our site, the range of topics covered, guidelines for sponsored posts, and the associated benefits and terms. These links lead to our pricing page, which offers 3 pricing tiers. Currently, our primary focus is securing sales or sponsored post agreements at the $60 level when engaging with potential leads. This initial phase allows us to validate our concept effectively. In our sponsored post negotiations, we consistently establish a specific price and validate its feasibility. Once the price has been successfully sold, we proceed to increase it accordingly. When customers make a purchase through any of the available options, their contact information is automatically captured in our high-level CRM system. Furthermore, if they make a purchase through the designated site page, their contact details are automatically added to the Contacts tab. Once the contacts are recorded, our automated processes categorize them into various pipelines for further management within our high-level CRM tool. Pipelines provide a visual representation of a lead's progress in a given process. In our system, you'll find stages like manual lead, followed up, post received, post editing review, and post published. Typically, when a lead agrees to a specified price for a sponsored post and submits an article for review, their contact card is moved from its original stage to the corresponding field. For example, if they send their article, it would be moved to post received. Or if we're already editing their post, it would be moved to post editing review. This helps manage forwarded emails. It's worth noting that this example refers to when we were charging $20. Thanks for reaching out to us at Global. I wanted to follow up and see if $20 is agreeable with your budget for guest posts. Let me know what your budget is and we can see how we can potentially collaborate. Something super short to the point and you're pricing them out. This is a concise message aimed at determining their pricing preferences. Interestingly, the author expressed interest in multiple posts and eventually paid for 3 sponsored posts. So she had a $60 invoice in this case. She then replies, "Can you tell me the next steps?" And I say, "Please send us your guest post. The price to publish is $20. You can send payment to the PayPal email at benjamin.kepner@globalsocialmediamarketing.com. She then requested an invoice specifying her preference. To generate the invoice, you'll need to ask for the email address where she wants to receive the PayPal invoice. The PayPal ID is essentially the email linked to the PayPal account. In this thread, I have emailed her, provided a price quote, and she has responded. Upon their response, I wanted to gauge their willingness to proceed with the basic terms and negotiations. They agreed to the price, and I informed them of our collaboration. From there, the process involves guiding them through submitting the article and obtaining their PayPal email for the invoice once the article is published. As I review the conversation, they have additional inquiries, such as sharing articles and word count per article. She's asking me further questions like, can I share the articles? Or how many words per article? Regarding these topics, are they acceptable to you? She also attached the articles that she had created. Now we proceed with setting up and preparing one of these articles for publication on the site. To begin, navigate to the shared drive, access the website folder, and locate the guest post folder. Under authors, create a new folder specific to the author or lead in question. This author's name is Margie. Let's create a new folder with her name and generate a new Google Doc. We will copy and paste her article into this document on the website. Our target word count is around 600 words, but a minimum of 400 words is acceptable. Now let's navigate to the Post tab on the left-hand side and access the All Posts section. To maintain consistency, I will duplicate a previous guest post, clearly labeled as Guest Entry. We will discuss giving proper credit to the guest author once the post is published on the platform. Let's take the one that Kamaljit edited as a reference and create a duplicate version, which we can identify as the happy clone. As you can see, the cloned article has been successfully created. Next, I will proceed to edit the article. Currently, we are at the stage of copying and pasting the article into WordPress and reviewing and editing it. To edit the article, follow these steps. 1. Log into the back end of your website. 2. Select the article from the guest entry section. 3. Go to the blog section and choose blog post to make a happy clone. 4. Click on Edit to begin editing the article. 5. Delete the existing content by selecting everything and deleting it. 6. Copy the article from Google Docs or your preferred writing software. 7. Paste the article into the cloned version. 8. Format the article as needed by modifying the text blocks. Nine. Click on Save Draft when you have finished editing. 10. Add relevant tags in the right column, either by writing your own or selecting suggested ones. 11. Enter the author's name and choose a suitable picture for the article. 12. Ensure the SEO aspects such as readability and analysis are satisfactory. Finally, to publish the article, click on Publish and it will become visible on your website. After publishing the article, inform the authors that their article is now live on the website. Additionally, remember to notify our marketing team about the completed process for social media distribution of the article. Some leads will respond but won't have the budget to proceed, while others may initially respond but fail to follow through with article submission or stop responding altogether. Such situations are common in online communications. To manage these leads, I'll access the Contacts tab and create a new lead, ensuring they haven't already been added before entering their first name. When creating contact cards, focus on those individuals with whom you are actively working to secure a post on the site. Avoid the need to make a contact card for every sponsor post lead you email, as it would consume a significant amount of time each day. Many leads will not respond or drop off during the process, so it's unnecessary to create contact cards for all of them. Instead, prioritize creating cards for the leads that show genuine interest and engage in ongoing communication. Enter the last name and email address, exclude the phone number, and click Save. However, when checking the pipeline, she is not listed there. So how can we tell her contact card must be displayed in the pipeline? To do that, access her contact details and navigate to the Opportunities tab. Click on Add to populate the information, select the guest post pipeline for the website, and choose the appropriate stage. In this case, since her posts have been published, move her to the Post Published stage. Knowing that she paid $20 for the post, assign this value to the lead owner and save the changes. Now she appears in the Opportunities tab assigned to KM. This includes the process for this lead. This is essentially what you will do every lead who agrees to a price, submits an article, and pays the PayPal invoice.